Hello everyone, myself Komal Sharma from Shama Prasad Mukherjee College, Delhi University, and I am from BA Political Science Honours Department. So the topic for our today's discussion is political party and party system. So let's start. Political party and party system. Political parties are indispensable to any democratic system and play the most crucial role in the electoral process in setting up candidates and conducting election campaigns. Political parties formulate, consolidate, and express public opinion. They simplify the election process, enlighten the people on political issues and their responsibilities. They act as the best link between the government and the common man. A political party is an organization that coordinates candidates to compete in a country's elections. History. In 18th century, the Rockingham Whigs have been identified as the first modern political party because they retained a coherent party label and motivating principles even while out of power. At the end of the late 18th century, the United States also developed a party system called the first party system. By the early 19th century, a number of countries had developed stable modern party systems. The spread of the party model of politics was accelerated by the 1848 revolutions around Europe. During the wave of recolonization in the mid 20th century, many newly sovereign countries developed party systems that often emerged out of their movements for independence. Party system. A party system is a concept in comparative political science concerning the system of government by political parties in a democratic country. The idea is that political parties have basic similarities. They control the government, have a stable base of mass popular support, and create internal mechanisms for controlling funding, information, and nominations. Types of party system: one party system, dominant party system, two party system, multi party system, and non partition system. One party system: a system in which a single political party has the right to form the government, usually based on the existing constitution, or where only one party has the exclusive control over political power. Dominant party system: a system where there is a category of parties or political organizations that have successively won election victories and whose future defeat cannot be invest or is unlikely to foreseeable future. Two party system: a system where only two parties or alliance, typically based either side of the center, have a realistic chance of forming a majority. Other parties are very minor or solely regional. Example: the United States. Multi party system: a system in which multi political parties have the capacity to gain control of government offices separately or in coalition. Non party system: a system of government or organization such that universal or periodic elections take place without reference to political parties. Conclusion: in India, we have multi-party system where there are number of national as well as regional parties are there. There are many national parties in India such as BJP, CPI, CPIM, TMC, BSP, etc. Thank you.